Alrighty, YouTube. So, let me see what we got. We got chicken. Just trying to see, before we go shopping, when I can feed all these animals. Of course, y'all know the usual. Spinach and salad mix. Got strawberries. That's it. Strawberries and bananas left. So, I'm finna go ahead. Y'all know how I get the food ready. Just cut everything up on the tortoise plate. And then we're going to, and probably see the light. I think it's a different spot. We're gonna go to Home Depot. Where else we going? Aldi. Gotta go grocery shopping. And look at my fish. That is SpongeBob's house on there. Named it along. I drove 6.5 hours yesterday, so honestly, I don't have no energy at all. But still on the record, and I gotta try to feed these savannah monitors. They were eating wet dog food, so the closest thing to that is meat. They're supposed to eat insects, but we're gonna start feeding them meat and vegetables and try to change their diet a little bit. And if they're not doing too good, add calcium with that. If they still not looking strong, switch to insects. But I'm pretty sure they'll be good on the meat, fruits, and veggies. All right, so I got 1, 2, 3 pieces of meat I'm finna cut up. 3 chicken breasts, just rinsed them off. And then I fed all the vegetarians. So now, oh no, I gotta take this back to Monster. And the Tegu was back there. That's why I picked up the camera. And look who's right there. He just let me reach down there and get his water bowl. Didn't even move. He must know I'm finna feed him. Where is she at? She knows she's about to eat. She knows it. All right, let me hurry up and do this. So she's killing her food. And then we'll come back for this dude. All right. Then you get a whole chicken breast cut up. And then you get spinach and strawberries too. Get this nigga his food. Chico! What's up, boy? I got your food. You can't run out though. All right, stay. No, not. If you jump at me, we're gonna have some problems. Stay. Scoot back. There. Eat up. Yes, sir. He's literally a dog. Can I touch him? Good job, boy. Good boy. Oh, he fucking that shit up. Bro, don't eat all the meat. Eat your vegetables and fruit, too. I gotta give him the water. Let me put this camera down before he bite me. Usually, I put the water on the cooler side, but he gonna most likely drink all of that after he eats, so I ain't tripping. Had to get the strawberry, huh? Yeah, good boy, Chico. Good boy, Chico. And this is not Chico's cage. If y'all don't notice the first video, Chico gets this entire room. Of course, he shares it with Baba, but yeah, he just killed his food. And if I overfeed him, he will literally, that stomach comes out. So I try not to overfeed him. And I was just telling Anissa, the Tegus just keep getting cooler. These guys are like velociraptors. Granted, the savannah monitors look way more like raptors. The Tegus look like dinosaurs too. Alright, so even though I really like the Tegu food bowl, it's cool. And I just get them 2 things of water because we gotta get them a bigger water dish. So here we go, strawberries, banana a little bit, spinach, and of course, mostly meat. Oh, he is ready. Y'all, look at him. This dude is ready for his food. These guys do not play, man. Tegus are actually vicious. Dude. Uh-oh, here she comes. Even crazier and faster than him, so I just put that food in there like that. You better go get some, boy. You gonna be late to the party. I know you don't want to miss your food. Look at them eat. Oh my God. And this is really why they're so damn big so fast. They just get full feasts every single day. Even though he's wild caught, look at his pattern. Pattern is looking good. Hers always look good. And for the Savannah monitors, I just want to see if they'll eat. But I gotta see where, oh, look who's eating. Look who's eating. How you gonna try to eat the one that's in his mouth? The man ate his food and said, I'm going back in my cave. And he basically be back there. Alright, YouTube. So we at Home Depot, and I ain't gonna lie, I probably spent like $600 a month in this bitch.
Hello.
Hola. So I saw some really long bins, and they'll be perfect for cuddles and the rainbow boa, but we found out the rainbow boa might have a parasite. Alright, YouTube. We are at PetSmart. I don't really like going to PetSmart because it's more expensive, but it's closest to Home Depot. And I already spent $140 in there. So I ain't really tripping. It's just like, God damn. Look at how small Pedro used to be, y'all. Isn't that crazy? Let me get this out.
All in my view. Could fuck out the world. Just kidding. That's cool.
Hi, YouTube. So we got these huge bins. So they'll have all this space. I'm gonna put 2 windows on each of them. And yeah, and then they'll each have a 6, so 3 bars to climb on for now. And yeah, I'm gonna just get started. Got the glass. And basically I'm gonna just put this first glass in there right up. So there's the glass, but I forgot to get bolts earlier, so I had to use what I have, which is these small ones. So I'm not gonna be able to finish tonight, but I will be able to finish the rainbow boa cage tonight. So at least she'll be able to get moved. Then we can do cuddles tomorrow. All right, so this is what I got so far. Then I got the glass in the front. Gonna have a few of these to climb on. I'm gonna definitely add some more. Gotta put the high box in there. No, Kane, no. Gotta put the high box in there. Yeah, we'll be all set for the rainbow boa. And I wanna add a top like this to the tops, but one, I gotta get more bolts, nuts, and 2. I'm tired as hell. 2. She's gonna be on the humidifier, so there's no need for that really. But I'm gonna show y'all where I was thinking about setting these up, because honestly, we don't have no more space in this bitch. Anissa just keep getting animals and keep getting animals, so we ain't got no space in the house. All right, so got a big heat pad. Alright, so I got this big heat pad, and here's the enclosure, and they're gonna be stacked. So I definitely gotta cut these off because it just look a little tacky, but it's gonna be the boa on the bottom and then cuddles on top. And then if we want, we could add another one, probably 2 more. But yeah, I'm gonna add this substrate, put a high box in there, and yeah. Alright, so here we go. Still don't see the bottom handful. So, now you good. All right, think the boa will like it in here. Oh, let me put the high box. Put that back there. Now, I'm gonna spray half of the bottom, get nice and humid outside of the high box. And then when I put the high box right here, it should be super humid inside there. You'll see in a second though. All right, so there it is. Simple setup. I'm gonna add more stuff just so it could be camouflaged. She could be camouflaged. But yeah, man. Let me add the heat pad real quick. So now I'm just drilling these holes in the side for ventilation. So I don't want her to suffocate. Granted, it's not airtight, still. All right, they're all done. So got a decent sized hole right there just to get the most circulation through. Then we also got some on this side. And it's time to put her. Ooh, I just ate, that's why I keep burping out my words. But let's get this aggressive snake out, man.
Thanks, Coco.
Anytime, babe.
So here you guys saw earlier my rainbow boa that's aggressive as hell. And yeah, I don't want to handle her too much. She's already stressed out, so I'm gonna put her in there. So there she is in her enclosure. Pretty decent. So now the next thing to drill, LED light on the back of this that I could turn on and off, and add another glass in front of these right here. So it's gonna be one of these right there next to it, and then we'll be able to see in there, and it'll be an LED light on top. But for now, I got the heat pad back there. I'm letting it heat up first, and then I'm gonna put it under her high box, and that's it for that enclosure.